In this episode, we are going to introduce how to retrieve the password. Open the interface of password retrieval. Binding email address if empty. Scan QR code via EZView. Click Account Setting. Click General. Click Forget Device Password. Scan QR code. The passcode will be sent to your email. Go to the email to get the security code. Reset password. Log in with new password. The email address can be modified here. It is recommended to set during initial setup.